So guys, finally the Google I/O event is over now and we got to see many new technological updates that blew away the viewers' mind. So let's get to see what actually got launched in the event. So let's get started. So guys, first let me say what actually is Google I/O. It is actually an event conducted and performed by Google every year where it announces new upgrades to the Android world. But this year in the Google I/O event, we got to see a number of high-end upgrades like AI and machine learning. So let's get to see what Google has actually made up for the world. The first upgrade is all of the Gmail. Google got updated one of its core product, that is the Gmail. The Gmail got updated with the new user interface and with Smart Compose feature that is completely based on machine learning. Till today machine learning in Android was just minorly used, but now complete machine learning is being used in Gmail. The Smart Compose feature mainly helps you in predicting the next word or sentences that all you need to hit is the tab button on your keyboard and the sentences will get typed up automatically for you by Google machine learning feature. This is one of the coolest thing that Google has ever made for the people. The secondary Google Gallery, that's the Google Photos. It got a high-end upgrade where Google modified the Google Photos app with artificial intelligence that was previously programmed in Java to help out in the real world. Let me say out the topmost features of the app. For example, if you click up a picture, the Google Lens will suggest you how a picture would look good. Suppose you have a colorful picture and want to pop out the background to black and white, then the Google Lens feature will make it for you. It's just because of the Google Artificial Intelligence preloaded in the Google Photos app, and this is the suggested action feature. Next is the color pop-in feature that smartly colors up your black and white photos taken up in the 90s to the colorful realistic world. That's the coolest feature ever seen in an Android. Google had a deal to add up 6 new voices to the Google Assistant. That's quite remarkable. You must listen to them.
Let's have them say hello.
Good morning, everyone.
I'm your Google Assistant.
Welcome to Shoreline Amphitheater.
We hope you'll enjoy Google I/O.
Back to you, Sundar.
This is the smartest ever assistant completely based on artificial intelligence. Saying "Hey Google" every time is annoying, so Google has added up a feature called continuous conversation. That simply means you don't need to say out "Hey Google" every time. The Google Assistant is incredibly intelligent. To make this sure, just watch out this.
Let's say you want to ask Google to make you a haircut appointment on Tuesday between 10 and noon. What happens is the Google Assistant makes the call seamlessly in the background for you.
So how can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second.
The amazing thing is the assistant can actually understand the nuances of conversation. We've been working on this technology for many years.
The smartest ever Android operating system, that's the Android P. The Android version is completely based on AI to simply match with the human experience. The making of Android P simply means to bring out intelligence, simplicity and digital well-being and even much more than expected. Android history has started up alphabetically starting from ABC, but we have finally reached the Android P 9.0. The name may be the Android Pie or the Pineapple, not revealed by Google. The topmost features of Android P even got discussed in the Google I/O event. The first is there's an even Android dashboard that even notes up each and every activity done by you, even minor activities, the number of times you lock or unlock your device per day, and even the number of notifications you get every day. There is even a DND pip mode included by Google. So if you get a notification, so just keep your phone on the table and just flip it off to turn the notifications off and the DND mode will automatically get activated. There's an upgrade too on the Google Maps. Google even added up more than 10 million places and restaurants around the world to make people navigate better than earlier. That's even useful in fast-changing cities like Vegas. The next is the heavily customized camera app that can even answer questions, and that's the Google Camera app. The Google made its camera app by AI functionality to perform well in the real world. Google made up the camera app combining AI plus AR, that's artificial intelligence and augmented reality, to prove that it's the best. This is how it performs. This is the AR functionality what Google has made for us. We can observe that the fox is helping the user find directions. That's incredibly cool. Google even introduced the VPS, that's the visual positioning system, that's quite incredible. For example, the style match feature in the Google AR lens. Sometimes we do not think what is this, instead we think what can we get like this, and the Google AR lens helps it making it done. Google even promised up to bring up the AR lens feature in the mentioned brands. If you are a user of one of them, then it's all about to enjoy its features. Have fun. So guys, that's all for today. Make sure like, share and subscribe my channel. For latest updates, stay tuned.